It's important to wash your hands with antibacterial soap and warm water for an appropriate period of time. Usually, this is about the length of the Happy Birthday song, but I prefer my own theme song. The bathroom isn't the grossest place in your house. Not by a long shot. Did you get that magazine out of the bathroom?
No.
Because that would be grosser than gross. Your kitchen sink and dish sponge are way grosser than the magazine on the back of the toilet. Dr. Rob D'Onofrio, Director of Microbiology at NSF International and lead researcher for a study on the germiest places in homes, said, "Sponges pick up bacteria during the cleaning process and are typically not properly or regularly sanitized before their next use." That's right, you're gross. What do I mean by gross? The study measured levels of yeast, mold, coliform bacteria, including Salmonella, E. coli, and staph bacteria on various household items. If there's coliform bacteria, that means there's fecal matter. And there's lots of it on your toothbrush holders. That's grosser than gross. This is why when I'm out and about, I wear nitrile gloves. Especially when I'm meeting new people. I always wear the gloves. You can't be too careful around staph. The other thing we doctors need to worry about is MRSA. MRSA is an especially bad problem in hospitals that might not use antimicrobial table paper or proper surface disinfecting processes. Gross, right? I don't want to go near that thing, and I'm a doctor. I'm still not sure how close I want to get to this guy. Really? You're sure you didn't get that magazine out of the bathroom?
I'm positive.
Because, not to pick a bone with you, but I'm pretty sure I saw it in there earlier.
Maybe there's two.